Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's becoming an integral part of our daily lives and work. From automating tasks to enhance creativity, these tools can help you unlock new levels of productivity and innovation. So, whether you're a developer, a marketer, or just someone curious about AI, these tools are definitely worth checking out. To show your support, click the like button. First up is OpenAI Playground. This interactive platform allows you to experiment with OpenAI's language models. You can generate text, ask questions, and even create conversational agents, all for free. It's a fantastic way to explore the capabilities of AI without needing extensive program knowledge. Next is Hugging Face Transformers, a library that provides pre-trained models for natural language processing tasks. Whether you are interested in text classification, translation, or summarization, Hugging Face makes it easy to integrate powerful models into your applications. Plus, their community is incredibly supportive. Coming at number 3 is Google Colab, a cloud-based Jupyter Network notebook environment that allows you to write and execute Python code in your browser. With built-in support for TensorFlow and PyTorch, it's perfect for machine learning projects. Plus, you can get access to free GPU resources. At number 4 is DALL-E 2, an AI tool by OpenAI that generates images from textual descriptions. This tool is perfect for artists and designers looking to create unique visuals based on their ideas. Just type in a description and watch as DALL-E 2 brings it to life. Fifth on our list is Runway ML, a creative toolkit that allows you to use machine learning models for video editing, image generation, and more. With its user-friendly interface, you can easily integrate AI into your creative workflow without needing extensive technical skills. Sixth is the chatgpt API, which allows developers to integrate conversational AI into their applications. You can build chatbots, virtual assistants, or custom support tools using this powerful API. It's perfect for enhancing user engagement on websites or apps. Seventh on our list is TensorFlow.js, a JavaScript library that lets you run machine learning models directly in the browser. This means you can create interactive web applications with real-time AI capabilities without needing server-side processing. Eighth is IBM Watson Studio, which provides tools for data scientists and developers to build and train AI models. The free trial allows you to experiment with various features like data visualization and model training and deployment, all within a collaborative environment. Ninth on our list is Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services, which offers a suite of APIs for adding intelligent features like vision recognition, speech processing, and language understanding to your applications. The free trial provides ample opportunities for experimentation. 10th is chatbot.com, an intuitive platform for creating chatbots without any coding required. With its drag-and-drop interface, you can build conversational flows and deploy them on your website or messaging platforms easily. 11th is Low, a free tool from Microsoft that makes it easy to build custom machine learning models using your own data. Its visual interface allows you to train models without writing any code, perfect for beginners. 12th on our list is Deep AI, which offers a range of free AI tools for generating images, text summaries, and more. It's a great resource for experimenting with different AI capabilities without any cost. 13th is PyTorch Lightning, a lightweight wrapper-around PyTorch that helps organize code for research and production. It simplifies the training process while maintaining flexibility, ideal for both beginners and experienced developers. 14th on our list is Copy.ai, an AI-powered writing assistant that helps generate marketing copy, blog posts, social media content, and more. The free version provides enough functionality for small projects or personal use. 15th is Canva, which has an integrated AI features that help users create stunning graphics effortlessly. With templates and design suggestions powered by AI, it's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their visual content. 16 on our list is Google AutoML, which allows developers with limited machine learning experts to train high-quality custom models tailored to their specific needs using their data, making advanced AI accessible to everyone. 17th is Pixels API, which gives developers access to thousands of high-quality photos and videos for free. You can easily integrate this resource into your applications or websites to enhance visual appeal without worrying about license issues. 18th on our list is Rapid API, a marketplace that connects developers with thousands of APIs across various categories. You can discover new APIs easily while managing all your subscription from one place. 19th is Dialogflow, Google's natural language understanding platform that enables you to design conversational interfaces like chatbots or voice assistants effortlessly. Its intuitive design helps streamline the development process. 20th on our list is Playground AI, which serves as a collaborative space for experimenting with various AI models. It's user-friendly and perfect for those looking to explore different machine learning techniques without complex setups. 21st is Replicate, which democratizes access to machine learning by allowing users to run models directly in the cloud without needing extensive infrastructure knowledge. Great for rapid prototyping. 23rd is Zapier, which automates repetitive tasks by connecting different apps together, the workflow called Zaps. The free plan includes initial automation features that can streamline your business processes. 24th in our list is Lumen 5, an online video creation tool powered by AI transforms text content into engaging video effortlessly, perfect for marketers and content creators. Lumen 5 allows you to input blog posts or articles and it will automatically generate a video storyboard without relevant visuals and text overlays. And finally, at number 25, we have AI Dungeon. This interactive storytelling platform uses AI to generate text-based adventures based on your input. You can create unique narratives by simply describing what you want to happen next, and the AI will craft the story in real time for you. Yeah, that's it. And as always, until then, keep it simple.